Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are enjoying the best of health. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 5. We are learning Unit 4. It's a beautiful poem with title, A Better Place. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is, or modify it for your convenience. Yes, my dear students, today we are going to start reading and understanding of this poem. And before this, in your previous grades, you have already read different poems and you know how to recite poems with actions. I have taught you. So we are going to learn further to read the poem with actions, express opinion about the poem, write a central idea of the poem in simple language. These are our today's SLOs. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah mentions in Quran, Surah Al-Hujurat, verse 11, O you who believe, do not ridicule others. Perhaps they may be better than you, and do not insult one another, nor call each other by offensive names. Yes, my dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala teaches everything in Quran. Because you see, subhanallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling us, oh, you who believe, who are, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is calling whom? We are believers, alhamdulillah. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is saying, don't call others, don't ridicule, don't insult people, don't make fun of people, don't mock at them, and don't talk in irrespective way. Don't insult them and don't call them with bad names. So beta, these all are what we are learning. These all are bad things, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is stopping us. It means we should not do it. And if we stop doing all these things and we start respecting everyone, this word is gonna be beautiful, inshallah, right? So this is what the message of this poem is as well. Let's start with these pre-reading questions. How boys in the pictures are helping their mother. Look at these boys. What are they doing? How are they helping? And why should we respect our elders? Pause the video, answer these questions to your teacher, and then come back. Yes, my dear students. You see, these boys are helping their mothers, and we should respect our elders because they are elder than us. We should respect them. And today, beta, we respect our elders. Tomorrow, our youngers will respect us, right? This is how what goes around, that comes around. That's why we should respect everyone. Let's understand this poem word by word, and then after understanding, we'll recite it. How often do you put others first? Means you give priority others to yourself. You think, I should stop whatever I'm doing and I should help them. How often do you do it? Many times, beta, and all the times we should do it. Do you offer water when they're thirsty? It's a simple, a very small thing. If someone is thirsty, what should you do? You should give a glass of water, beta. It's a huge virtue, okay? It's a big, good thing, and we should do it, okay? Do you show a courtesy? And what does courtesy mean? Good manners, polite manners, nice things. Or are you too busy? Like, what does it mean? Means you are doing something and someone needs your help. Do you help that person, or you say, oh, I'm busy with my work, I don't want to do it? No, my children are good. You help others, good job, beta. This is what we should do. Are we not all made from the same? Yes, we all are same. Allah created us in the same manner. Whether we are rich or poor, who is to blame? No one. No one should be criticized like one is rich or one is poor. It's once again, beta, it's Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who makes someone rich or poor. It's okay. What we should do, we should respect everyone equally, okay? We should not say like one is wearing good clothes, so I should respect this person. Other is not wearing good clothes, so it's okay. No. Who knows in the sight of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala who is better? So both of them are equal for us. We should respect both equally, right? So we need to show kindness to all and to make sure none do fall. Okay? We have to. This is our part to respect, to show kindness, to show good manners, to help everyone equally. Respecting others is what we should do, right? Whatever. And respect means better what in this particular situation, what one needs, we should do that for that person. Okay, this is how we can show respect. If it would spread more happiness too. So when we are helping each other, we are helping everyone, so everyone is happy and we will also be happy. So we are spreading happiness all around. Okay, it does not matter the color of our skin or whether people are our kin. Kin means relative, your close ones. So everyone's skin color is different. Who created it? Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So should we be judgmental like what the skin color of people? Everyone in the whole world, people have different skin colors, but they all are equal. That's why we should respect everyone, and no matter they are our relatives or not, the elders, whoever is elder, we should respect them. Whoever is younger, we should love them. This is what we should do, okay? Treat others how you want to be treated. Means you should treat others, you should deal with others the way you want them to deal with you. Like if someone is doing something bad with you, you don't like it. So if you will do something bad with someone, that person also gonna hurt. That's why, beta, we should respect others, we should treat others gently, kindly, so that they are not hurt with us. Okay, if we all did this and we just repeat it all the time, if we do treat others nicely and every time we do it repeatedly, we do it, how beautiful the things will be around us, right? And you never know when your life will be changed. You never know, beta. There can be just a moment can change your life and you find everything rearranged. It happens. So when you help someone and someone in response, someone is praying for you, there are many things coming your way nicely. And there's how it happened. It happens, beta. That's why we should help others, and we should all the time, we should make people to make dua for us. When we are good and kind with people, they definitely make dua for us, and that dua Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala listens. All right. So this is how our life changes. Don't look down on others. Okay, don't think they are inferior. Who face trouble, like if someone is in problem, don't look down on them. Be there and encourage, motivate them, help them, facilitate them in their struggle. So when someone is in difficult situation, they are trying to handle it, we should help them. We should support them. We should say, yes, you can do it. Don't be upset. And we should also make dua for them. And we should tell them, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is watching you. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is going to help you. Definitely don't give up. Don't be upset, right? Because these are small things, but these are big things in reward, right? So respect is a thing you can freely give. When you respect someone, does it charge anything to you? No, it's free of cost. Respect will make the world a better place to live, right? So when you respect others, and better, I told you, respect means whatever the situation is, you are gonna help them. You are with that person who needs that support. It means respect. You leave your things behind and you are helping others. You are being kind with them. You are supporting them, motivating them, helping them. This is what respect. And when everyone is respecting others, think about how this place will be. Inshallah, this is the only key to make this world a better place. And one thing more, better, don't expect others to do it. We are the one. I will do it, then everyone will do it as well, inshallah. Okay, so you are the one who can change this world. You are the one who can make this world a better place to live. right? So Alhamdulillah, we learned many things from this poem. Now let's enjoy reciting this poem. You know how to recite with actions. It's your turn now. Teacher, kindly divide the class in groups. Call the groups of students one by one in front of the class to recite the poem with action. And when they are done with it, ask them to express their opinion. Okay, so pause the video, enjoy this activity, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, you enjoyed reciting this poem. Good job. And Bitam, how did you express your opinion? Like, what did you like about the poem? It's a beautiful poem and it gave us many lessons to make this world a better place, right? Okay. So, what is the central idea? So, we are going to learn about central idea, what a central idea of a poem means. Central idea is the message of or opinion that the writer or poet wants to convey to the reader. Okay, so whenever we read something, either it's a poem or it's a prose, there is a message in that. Like you're reading a lot of stuff, but there is a main message that is called a central idea, right? A central idea often teaches a moral lesson to the reader, and it is a common idea that can be applied to anyone, right? A common idea throughout the text, which is repeated and in different ways the writer or the poet wants you to think about that. That is called a central idea, right? Now, the poem we just read, what is the central idea of that poem? All of you open your book on page number 27. Here is question number 1 and 2. And in question number 1, part E, you'll tell the central idea. You have already discussed opinion, so you will write it as well. Teachers, kindly take these answers orally from the student. Keep correcting them wherever they are needed, and then make them to write these answers in their notebook. So pause the video, complete these 2 questions, and then come back. Yes, my dear students, are you done with it? Good job, you are smart. Now I'm going to give you homework. Question number 3, beta, in a previous lesson we have already practiced how to rearrange words to make new words. So you will rearrange these words. And we have also learned about question words, remember? So you will write the questions for these statements, okay? This is your homework. Question number 3 and 4 you will do at your home. And here is a worksheet, my dear fellow teachers. This worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it, and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. So what we have learned today, we read the poem with actions, we learned how to express our opinion about the poem, and we expressed our opinion about the poem. Through activity we did it, and we are able to learn and write about the central idea of the poem. So in this way, we achieved our SLOs to read the poem with actions, express opinion about the poem, and write central idea of the poem in simple language. Are we done with it? Yes, so that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning, keep practicing. Take very good care of yourself. Be kind to everyone. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.